EcoStruxure Manufacturing Compliance Advisor by Eurotherm is a tool to manage regulated industry compliance more efficiently using a robust digital workflow. It's designed to reduce testing costs, increase productivity, and be audit-ready with a paperless testing and approval process. Schedule and assign tests for equipment within your manufacturing sites. The process starts by planning and assigning a test type to a technician, which is sent to their mobile app, where the test procedure, such as calibration workflow, is selected. The tests are performed. The device documents the results, and a QR label is generated for the asset. A test certificate is produced or uploaded via the mobile app and stored in the cloud. It's a digital approval process with an audit trail. When upgrading from traditional compliance management to the Eurotherm solution, the process is automated, which replaces error-prone manual steps, typically decreasing the time spent on compliance management by 25% while improving the quality of records for quick and easy retrieval for audits.